नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और क्लेवर मैथ्स पजल सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। प्रॉब्लम सिंपल लगती है लेकिन लॉजिक बहुत पावरफुल है। हमारे पास इक्वेशन है क्यूब रूट ऑफ ए प्लस बी प्लस क्यूब रूट ऑफ ए माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू 6 और हमें ऐसे वैल्यूज़ फाइंड करनी है जहाँ दोनों क्यूब रूट परफेक्ट इंटीजर हो, मतलब क्यूब रूट ऑफ ए प्लस बी भी इंटीजर हो और क्यूब रूट ऑफ ए माइनस बी भी इंटीजर हो। सुनते ही थोड़ा टफ लगता है, लेकिन जब आप इसका पैटर्न समझ जाओगे ना तो सॉल्यूशन बहुत ही क्लीन और सेटिस्फाइंग निकलेगा। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं कैसे कि इस इक्वेशन को स्मार्टली क्रैक किया जा सकता है। 1. Let us consider m is cube root of a plus b and n is cube root of a minus b. So the next step is the given equation become, we have cube root of a plus b plus cube root of a minus b is 6. So the given equation become m plus n is equal to 6. Now the next step is taking cube both sides of step 1 equation. So we have a plus b is equal to m cube and a minus b will become n cube. Now the next step is add the equations of step 3. So we get a plus b plus a minus b is equal to m cube plus n cube. So here plus b minus b will cancel. So a plus a is 2a is equal to m cube plus n cube. Now the next step is subtract the equations of step 3. So it is a plus b minus a minus b is equal to m cube minus n cube. So here plus a and minus a cancel. So b plus b is 2b. So 2b is equal to m cube minus n cube. Now the next step is, so from the step 4 and step 5 we get the expression a is equal to m cube plus n cube divided by 2 and b is equal to m cube minus n cube divided by 2. So since m plus n is equal to 6, which is a even, m and n must have the same parity. So m cube plus n cube and m cube minus n cubes are also even. So a and b are the integers. Now we move into the next step. So choose any integer m, value of m, and calculate the value of n from this expression n is equal to 6 minus m. So the general formula from step 6, after putting this expression n is equal to 6 minus m, we get a is equal to bracket m cube plus 6 minus m whole cube bracket close divided by 2 and b is equal to bracket m cube minus 6 minus m whole cube bracket close divided by 2. So we have a is equal to and b is equal to b, expression of a and b in terms of m. Now the next step is, so list all the integer pairs of m comma m. We have m plus n is equal to 6. So we will choose the values of m from 0 to 6 and we'll calculate the values of n from this expression m plus n is equal to 6. So for the values of m is equal to 0, we get n is 6. Similarly, for the value of m is equal to 1, we get n is equal to 5 from this expression m plus n is equal to 6. Similarly, for 2, m is equal to 2, n is 4. For m is equal to 3, n is 3. M is equal to 4, n become 2. For m is equal to 5, n become 1. And for m is equal to 6, n becomes 0. Now, for each parity of m and n, we will calculate the values of a and b. So we have the expression a is equal to m cube plus n cube divided by 2 and b is equal to m cube minus n cube divided from step 6. So first we consider m is equal to 0 and n is equal to 6. So put these values of m and n in the above expression a and b. So we get the value of a is equal to m cube 0 cube plus n 6 cube divided by 2 is 108 and b is equal to, we get 0 cube minus 6 cube divided by 2, it is minus 108. So sum it, a plus b is equal to 108 plus of minus 108, it is 0. So cube root of 0 is 0. Next subtract it, a minus b becomes 108 minus of minus 108, it is become 216. So cube root of 216 is 6. Now let us sum is, so cube root of a plus b plus cube root of a minus b is first 0 plus 6, it become 6. So for the values of m is equal to 0 and n is equal to 6, we get the values of a is 108 and value of b is minus 108. So for every pair of m and n, we will calculate the value of a and b similarly this time. So we have this expression of a and b. So consider m is equal to 1 and n become 5. From this equation m plus n equal to 6. So now put the values of m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 5 in the above expression. So we get value of a is 63. Similarly for the expression b, so we get the value of b is minus 6. Now sum it. So a plus b becomes 63 minus 62, it is 1. So cube root of 1 is 1. Next a minus b is 63 minus of minus 62, it is 63 plus 62, which is 125. Cube root of 125 is 5. Now sum it. Cube root of a plus b plus cube root of a minus b is 1 plus 5, which is 6. So for the values of m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 5, we get the value of a is 63 and value of b is minus 62 for this expression. Now moving to the next values. Now we consider the value of m is 3, so n become 3. Put the value of m is equal to 3 and n equal to 3 in the above expression of a and b. So we get a is equal to 3 cube is 27 plus n is 3 cube 27 divided by 2 is 27 and b we get is 0. Now take a plus b, 27 plus 0 is 27. Now take cube root of a plus b, so it is cube root of 27 is 3. Next a minus b, it 27 minus 0, which is 27. So cube root of a minus b is means cube root of 27, which is 3. Now sum it. Cube root of a plus b plus cube root of a minus b. So we have 3 plus 3, which is 6. So for the values of m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3, we get the value of a is 27 and b is 0. So now moving to the next step. So similarly, final answer, we have expression m plus n is equal to 6. We will pick any integer m and calculate n from this equation n is equal to 6 minus m. And also we have the expression of a and b, so a is equal to m cube plus n cube divided by 2 and b is equal to m cube minus n cube divided by 2. So by picking the value of m and n, we calculate a and b. Similarly, we have calculated for the value of m is equal to 0 and n equal to 6, we get value of a is 108 and b is minus 108. For the value of m1 and n5, we get value of a and b are 63 and minus 62. For the value of m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 4, we get value of a and b are 36 minus 28. For the value of m and n 3, 3, we get value of a and b is 27, 0. For the value of m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 2, we get value of a and b are 36 and 28. For the value of m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 1, we get the value of a and b are 63, 62. And for the value of m is equal to 6 and n is equal to 0, we get the value of a and b are 108, and b also 108.